People right out there, aren't there? Beach at Hunstanton, quite near the Lighthouse, which is just around the cove there. Oh, there's a visitor there. So as mentioned earlier, we're staying at Searles Leisure Resort, I think it's called. First impressions, quite a decent site actually for what it is. It's like I said, a mini Butlins. Hope you can hear me. It's quite windy, and a bit of shout out to Rob's Wise Ways, who's been to Hunstanton I think a couple of times, and we've watched his vlogs and picked up a few tips from him. The only downside is we only got we didn't request a pitch, we just got given a pitch, and it's right near the kids' playground, which isn't actually a problem really because the kids aren't on holiday. They're back to school at the moment. So that wind's pretty grim actually. Mandy's over there talking to some dog owners because there's a Hungarian Vizsla. We had a Hungarian Vizsla years ago, and whenever we see one, she always talks to the owners. So, Hunstanton Beach. Car park is £2.70 for an hour. So we just popped an hour in just to have a wander and get a bit of fresh air. The only problem with going on holiday with family or friends and having a resort that's got a bar is that you're in the bar quite a lot. So it's nice to get a bit of fresh air for a change. So it's only about a minute walk from the car park, which is literally just over them cliffs there. Little cliffs nonetheless. Looking at the rock formations here, you got that very defined red brick under this, what looks like chalk, but I'm no genealogist. What is it? Not a genealogist, is it geologist? I'm no geologist. Pretty good though. It's not just caravan in this channel, you learn stuff. Actually, you haven't learned anything other than there's red rocks there. I'll maybe put some information about why there's red rocks in Hunstanton's beach cliffs. I'm sure you'd love it. We're not like motorhomes, we don't just go camp in pubs. We come out in nature and investigate. What the hell am I talking about? So today is September the 8th, and it's around, well, if I had a signal I'd said exactly the temperature. I would say it was, but it's quite windy, but it's not a chilly wind. I'd say it was about 19 degrees, maybe 20 degrees. Oh, 17, not bad. September the 8th. Right, so we're on top of the cliff now, and here's the car park. Ahead, just up by, not past Mandy there, is the, well, I say one is a lighthouse, not a lighthouse, when it hasn't got anything on the top, but I think that was the lighthouse. And just in front of that is some sort of viewpoint, I guess, for the Coast Guard. Somebody on TalkRench said it was the home of powerboat water skiing, Hunstanton. And as I also mentioned, most big lunatics, all very brave. It's a beautiful beautiful sunny day today. I haven't really got much planned. Mandy wants to get a watch, so we're going to find an Argus, but there all seem to be Arguses inside the Sainsbury's. You know the ones, so you I think you kind of order it from the catalogue, and then the next day they deliver it. Lookout, I was right. I think it was a Coast Guard lookout. Royal Observer Post 1907, Coast Guard Service 1963 to 68. You can now rent it out if you wanted. They're going to wander up. Now, to my right is Skegness, if you kind of don't know where we are in the country, we're in like what they call the Wash. So it's kind of like a big bay, sort of a chunk out of the country. Skegness over there, and just in front of me is what was the lighthouse. On a clear day, which it is today, you could see Skegness over there. I don't know if the bushes are in the way or not. You might be able to get a glimpse. Nothing, not really exciting from this point of view though. So there's the lighthouse. Sorry about the sun. What was the lighthouse, should I say? Coming up to some mysterious archway. Or a wolf or a dog. St Edmund's Chapel. Ooh.
How long to put in for?
An hour.
Okay.
I think got about half hour left.
That's a holiday home.
See, we stayed over there before, didn't we, in those caravans? And we looked out on there. Should we walk up there? Yeah. Very nice with all the hedges, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's how it should be, isn't it? Just having a wander around the site, just on the grass pitches here. Very good. Electric, I think they've got electric, haven't they? Yeah, they have. Some tents here. Last time we was in Hunstanton, we were in this little caravan park over there, just opposite. Wasn't it? Called Lee's or something, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just there. Majority tents here. Maybe it is all just tents. Maybe that's why ELT, electric tent, maybe. More caravans over there. river here, or stream that runs right at the back of our caravan. That must be that sports bar over there, open to all. Open to all, so it's open to the public as well. The RAF are out on strength today. There he is up there. Look.
But the difference here is much more open, isn't it?
Yeah,
Whereas we've got hedges.
that's right. It's not not many hedges.
Got hedges here, but
Still nice though, isn't it?
yeah, still really nice.
Looks like they're trying to grow hedges between the things. There's another toilet block here, not for the grass area.
Walk around that way.
Yeah, I wonder if I walk to that place. Yeah, it's surprised us both how much land Searles have got here. It's a huge site. I mean, in the distance there, it looks like it's probably golf. Of course, I see a golf buggy there, and there looks like it must be that fountains place. Maybe not. Golfing shop. Oh, a petanque rink. Got a little petanque rink up here. We could have bought our bowls. Fishing access only. Little pond there for fishing. That's the fountain restaurant bar. Maybe a bit too upper class for us. Looks a bit snobby if we're honest. Shh, don't tell them. We've got like designer shorts and shirts and that on. I think that's what they call the 19th hole, isn't it? On the golf course. Round the golf. A few Camparis. Steak sandwich. No thanks. Very similar to that other bit though, isn't it?
This is a rally or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there was a point sign there, wasn't it? Yeah. So they've got Norfolk Centre Rally. Right. Right, that's it from Hunstanton. Recommend the Searles campsite if you want to find a bit more about it. There are plenty of vlogs out there. Just obviously search Searles Hunstanton and there will be lots come up on YouTube. So from here we go down to New Haven to pick up the ferry to Dieppe in France, where we'll spend about over 4 weeks in France. So if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and See you in the next one. Apologies for the overuse of my new camera in the vlog, where I sort of pan around quite a lot. I'm getting used to using it, so it will settle down. So if you felt a bit dizzy during the vlog, I do apologise. But in future vlogs, I'm sure I'll get better with it, and probably bored of using too many angles. See you in the next one. This is quality caravan vlogging.